In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline requests using Asana Forms. Creating and sharing forms in Asana is a great way to manage requests efficiently and keep all your project information organized in one place. So let's get started and transform the way you handle requests with this powerful tool. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. Begin by entering your email address associated with your Asana account in the login field. After that, click on the Continue button to proceed. Now it's time to enter your password. You should find the password field below the email section. Key in your password and then click on the Login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Asana homepage. This is where you can see all your ongoing projects and tasks. Now locate a project in which you'd like to manage requests and click on it. This step takes you directly into the project's main space, where you can view tasks and customize features. Now to start creating your form, you need to look for the Customize button within your chosen project. Click on Customize, and you will see several options to tailor the project to your needs. Among these, find and click on Forms. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Add. Go ahead and click on it to begin creating your form. With the form editor open, think about the type of request you want to gather through this form. You'll want to create a form that captures essential information effectively. Start by customizing the form with questions that align with what you need from your team or clients. You can include detailed formatting options such as multiple choice questions or text boxes for more comprehensive responses. Incorporate important details like deadlines or attachment fields to ensure you gather all necessary information right at the start. As you build the form, consider utilizing Asana's custom fields. You might already have some custom fields in your project that you can integrate into your form, capturing useful data such as priority, progress, or any other metric relevant to your project's success. Once you're satisfied with your forms and have filled in all the necessary elements, it's time to finalize everything. Click on the Publish button. This action makes your form ready to use and share with others. Finally, Asana gives you an easily copyable link. Copy this link and distribute it to anyone who you want to fill out the form. And there you have it. You've successfully created a streamlined process for managing requests in Asana using forms, ensuring that all necessary details are collected and organized efficiently. Share this form with your colleagues, clients, or collaborators, and watch as your project management tasks become easier and more effective.